This is Caleb Beasing here. Oh, sorry, let me get that. It's a notification. So tomorrow's SPC, as you can see, does have a moderate again. One blob this time. We are gonna have to go through a repeat of what we saw on Friday. So, moderate risk is up here, enhanced risk down here, and then there's a slight. So there's not that much enhanced and moderate, but for those that are under you, I believe Little Rock is too. So Little Rock, I know you're still going through tornado. I know that you're still going through tornado damages. I need you to hang on with me here as I gather more info. Okay, so tripped and heading somewhere. So what's happening here is by Tuesday there will be a low and a high right next to each other. That's going to produce this squall line of storms. So I can give you a good amount of info. So it's going to start down here in Texas, move its way here, and then about midnight, another squall from Nebraska starts up and starts heading this way. These storms are expected to fire up mid-afternoon into early evening. We can say just after school ends around 3 p.m. We're going to expect these storms to start kicking off here in those areas. Stay tuned to forecasting videos for more details along the road. I'll be right back. Alright, so what's going on here is I'll switch it to the next 12 hours. Come on. There, so, wait. So 8 a.m. tomorrow. You can already start to see this pattern. We got cold here, and then we got warm over here. Going on to 12 a.m. Oh, whoop, I forgot to turn off that. Going to 11 a.m. You can see it starts to get hotter around here, which is going to be another sign that we're going to get the severe storms in those areas. Then around 2 p.m. you can see then it's really hot. So then we got that mixture around here. And it's mainly going to start forming right here. Then around 5 p.m. it's all going to be right here. And there's going to be a bunch of humidity too. So here's what we're seeing. Hazards at 8 a.m. You can see not much. We got blizzard conditions, winter weather, wind, marine, red flag warning, and cold weather. Now, 11 a.m. Jesus Christ. We only have blizzard, winter weather, wind, marine, red flag warning, cold, and fire. Now once we get to 2 p.m. we still see nothing, just an extended. But 5 p.m. now that's because alright, so 5 p.m. tomorrow. Whatever, that's not working anymore. Alright, so you can see 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, we already have a squall of rain, and some of it is going to be severe. 11 a.m. 11 a.m. please. You can see that's not grown at all. 2 p.m. we got another squall forming right here. And then 5 p.m. starts to kick off even more. But it's just being weird. Well, alright, so I will go to Little Rock's forecast really quick. Okay, so I am on the weather story for the area. No, I don't want to do that. So you can see here, significant severe weather outbreak possible Tuesday. You can see key messages. Low possibility for thunderstorms overnight into Tuesday morning to produce hail 1 inch, or to produce 1 inch hail. Warm front moves north through the area on Tuesday as thunderstorms form. Strong multiple rounds of severe weather are possible. Strong tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail is possible. Thunderstorm development may occur in the late day, then may occur later in the day than Friday. So, yeah. What has changed? Moderate risk issued for the area again. And if I zoom in, Waterloo, I know you got hit. Basically all these areas. Little Rock, I think you're out in the slight risk, so we may not see any tornadoes for you. You are going to follow these protocols. Okay, I think you had enough time. So we're gonna have 3 rounds. The first round, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Isolated supercells will be possible. Supercells are what tornadoes form off of. If you were wondering, if you didn't know what the parent thing that produces tornadoes is. Round 2 will be 6 p.m. to midnight. Scattered supercells. And round 3 will be midnight to 6 a.m. Line of storms. So, here are the current alerts around the U.S. And it looks like we already have a tornado watch for the areas down here. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing golf ball-sized hail, strong winds, and tornadoes are likely now through late this morning. The greatest risk for severe storms is until 11 a.m. and a tornado watch remains in effect for much of the area until 11 a.m. Have multiple ways to receive warnings this morning. Identify a safe place if warnings are issued for your location. And check in on your family and friends after the storms. For more information, go to our Facebook and Twitter pages listed, or listen to NOAA Weather Radio. So, I'll view today and tonight. Here's today, here's tonight, and here's Tuesday. Alright. Well, thank you so much, guys. I will let you go now. Peace.